You are watching Weekly Forex Forecast and my name is Tom Ford, Head of Investment Research at TradeCMX. There have been two major events over the past week, some key US economic data, and North Korea's seemingly successful test of a nuclear hydrogen bomb over the weekend. The news agenda this week will be dominated by the fallout, no pun intended, from the North Korean weapons test, and the European Central Bank's scheduled monthly bid rate release and press conference. There is little US data due. Following the current picture, I see the highest probability trade this week as long of gold, and short of the US dollar. The euro to pound sterling pair broke to a fresh, new high during the week but turned round to form a rather negative candle. By doing so, it looks as if we could pull back from here, perhaps looking for support underneath. I think that the 0.90 level underneath will be that support, so we may get a little bit of softness and what has otherwise been a very strong uptrend. Do not look to sell this market, simply look for value at lower levels. Pound sterling to Japanese yen. The pound sterling to Japanese yen pair bounced during the week, using the 140 level as support. We are pressing the underneath of the uptrend line that broke a couple of weeks back, so I think this week will be vital. If we can clear above the 143 level, I think the market goes to the 145 level, and then the 148 level. If we pull back from here, watch the 140 handle. A breakdown below there would be negative. US dollar to Canadian dollar. The US dollar initially rallied against the Canadian dollar, but the strong GDP numbers coming out of Ottawa since this market much lower. Any rally at this point in time looks suspicious because the week has formed a massive shooting star sitting on top of a massive uptrend line. It is more than likely a sign that we are about to break the uptrend line significantly, and therefore could go looking towards the 1.20 level very suddenly. TradeCMX, trade with capital market exchange.